How to fix the Spotify login problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this email and password combination is incorrect on your Spotify, here are the fixes that you need to try. So first and foremost, ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then double check your login details for typos. Sometimes the typos would be creating the issue. If that is not the case, make sure to swipe up from the home screen and close all the applications running in background, including the Spotify. Now restart the application and you can log in through the different options of login methods. Likewise, you can just use login without password option. For this, you need to provide your email address or username. Once that is done, tap on login without password and then you will receive a link on your Gmail. So open email app and then tap on your Spotify account email. Once that is done, tap on the link and it will log in directly to your Spotify account. So this is how you can set a new password or start listening to your Spotify app. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.